how you got your first break in Telugu cinema?
Mm,
Who approached you? How it happened?
okay, so the producer of like the Suraksha Entertainment, sir was in Mumbai. There is one of my friend. He's a music composer, Raj Ashu. So he was there in his office, and I was also there. So suddenly he said that I'm planning to make a film and all that. Raj Tarun is the hero, and they narrated me a gist of the script. So I really liked it.
And what was the role about? Like, what you're doing in this movie, if you reveal it?
This girl is very outspoken, very highly energetic.
That you are in real life,
Yeah,
you can see
actually. So she didn't let the guy speak. She is only talking. She is only proposing. She is doing everything.
You proposed. That's a good thing.
She is doing everything in the
And
film.
Raj Tarun is like very simple.
Very
boy.
simple boy. He's very silent, very decent, and she is the one who is doing everything. And she has a fight scene also in the film.
Oh,
She is
you're
the one
fighting
who-
also. Like
she's doing-
totally the way
Yeah,
we have
proper
to
action scene.
action movie.
Yeah.
That's a lot of things to explore in this movie about you, I
Yeah,
think.
it has a proper family entertainer, action, romance, comedy,
But
everything.
in this movie, I see your role more like, is related to your real life
Have you
also.
seen that film, Bomarilu Janilia?
Yes.
Very similar to that character.
Oh, but in real life also you're like this, na?
Yeah.
Full talkative, explore everything.
Yeah.
And self-defense, fighting. That I think not be a big thing for you. You've
Yes,
already
yes.
been into
I so loved it
self-defense.
because I remember the action director was very scared कि अब इससे कैसे करवाऊंगा लड़की है, you know
How
that
she will fight.
that
You didn't told him what I've done in my past.
That image was there in their mind that अभी पूरा time लगेगा, you know, now इसको 4-5 घंटे तो सिखाना, you know that image
was
was
there,
there.
huh?
And when I was doing in one shot, he was very happy. And he was like,
She knows
amazing.
everything, action, work.
Yeah, I knew it. Because they think that she's tiny, small, she won't be able to do it. People have that
yes, yes.
image.
But
So-
you just said in the movie you will going to propose. That's your job. Mostly actor propose, right?
Yeah.
In real life, have you proposed to someone?
Never.
You never proposed or somebody proposed you. So
Yeah.
वो तो बहुत होंगे.
Yeah, but I never did.
Never had a heartbreak.
Not really, but yeah, once it happened.
Who's that loser? Who lost you? Big loser.
Yeah, it happens. Life is like that.
But when we see a positive sides of a person like you know, who's full of life, and there is a time comes when you go down also, how you handle that? Especially when you are like, not getting what you want in the life, or,
Right.
heartbreak or relationships problem or professional
You have
problems.
to be mentally very strong to deal with any situation because life is a roller coaster. It can't be smooth. So you have to you have to ready to face any kind of situation, and you can't just do over things. Like if you are happy, you can't be very happy.
Yes.
And if you are sad, you can't be very,
Very
sad.
sad.
You should know the balance, how to balance things out. That's it.
But I have talked to so many celebrities and actresses. They have always talked about their weak point. अरे तुम्हारा तो ये अच्छा नहीं था, तुम्हारा तो, और वही चीज को लेके
Yeah.
they have showed up.
Yeah.
So when you were just starting off your career, somebody to, oh, your nose is not good, or this is
Yeah.
the. Have you been got these kind of criticism, aura of criticism you've been?
Yeah, a lot of people, but I take criticism as a positivity because मुझे लगता है कि अगर someone is criticizing you, that means that person wants them to correct you that thing.
But
Some people-
sometimes criticism
sometimes-
is just for they take it. They want to criticize you.
So if it is a positive criticism, I will take it. If it is a negative,
So what was
I
the
just ignore.
criticism has? I don't see any criticism. Still, somebody has guts to do that.
Yeah,
What
people. Some people say that you're short, you're tiny. So all these things, I have been rejected from a lot of roles because of height. So these are the things, but I'm fine with it.
The biggest project you got rejected, you would like to reveal? You feel that just because of height?
I auditioned for a Netflix show. It's an international show for Netflix where they wanted some Indian actors too. The director was also from Hollywood.
Oh.
Everything was finalized, everything was done. The only thing I got rejected because the actor was very tall and I was very short. So, yeah, this happened.
This happened.